get started, you want to take the flat cord you're going to be working over, and you can use any colour if your thread's going to cover the entire thing, because it won't show up when you're finished. And next you want to take your board, and then you can clip the top of your flat cord to the top of your board, and then you can take another clip and then clip the cord at the bottom. Once you've attached your cord to the board, you can take your first thread and you can match up the two ends and then just pull it through your fingers until you find the centre. And then you want to take the centre and put it over the top of your flat cord, and then you want to pull that through and underneath, so it should be like that. And then you want to take these tail ends and pull it through the loop. And then you can just push it up to the top and then just pull it until it forms a knot against your cord. It should end up looking like that. And then you want to do the exact same thing with your other colour of thread. But you want to do this at the other side. So once you've attached both your threads and pushed them up to position at the top, you can start working your pattern. So you want to take the colour that's at the top, and then you want to go over the top of your flat cord and then pull it through, and then pull it up to the other colour to put it tight, and then go under your flat cord and again pull through and tighten up to the top. And then you want to do a mirror of this with the other colour at the other side. So just go over your flat cord and then pull through. And then under your flat cord and pull through. And you want to keep repeating this all the way down until you've got it as long as you want it. So once you've got it almost as long as you want it, you can take the cord at this side and then take the one at this side and just knot over that and the flat cord. This just keeps it in place for where you add your fastening. And once you're satisfied everything's nice and tight, you can move the bottom from the bottom of the board, and you can just trim your flat cord for whatever fastening you're going to be adding. So once you've finished, you just want to add your fastenings. So for me, I'm using a crimp end bead and a jump ring. So you want to take the end of your bracelet or your anklet or necklace and slot it inside the crimp bead. This bit can be a little bit fiddly. And then hold it in place while you pinch the two sides in. And once you've got it in place, you can use your pliers to just fasten it more securely. And once you've done, you should end up with something that looks like this. And don't forget to add a clasp at one end. And then you can just fasten it like that.